picture, don't worry.
Okay, look, we took this picture today. Aren't we like the best?
We're so hot.
Yeah, I can see it.
She took pics of me today. I look in this picture. I'm gonna post them later, you can see.
I want to see more about y'all.
Then you'll see on my IG, bro. You gotcha.
Why she give me the middle finger?
Finger.
No, it's like this.
I love you too, baby.
He said that.
Huh?
I can't.
Wait.
No, your voice was just so nice when you said that.
I want to whisper in your ears.
Woo! Please do.
Okay then.
Please do.
Please do. Right now, I'm ready to book my flight, matter of fact.
Go on, man. Go on. Book it right now.
We'll take you from the airport. We have cars.
Y'all gonna come pick me up?
Yeah.
Of course.
Who y'all live with? Y'all got your own apartment?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We live together.
Show me around.
Like the
room? It's really messy right now.
Oh my god, we should show him Rocco. Oh, he's gone.
He's gone. Rocco's gone.
We were gonna show you a dog, but
wait, can I get an outfit check?
Sure.
Okay, I'll go first.
Okay.
I'm just wearing this with jeans and that's it.
Yeah.
No, I can't see much. Alright, let me see her.
This one I'm wearing this.
Wow, I love the small waist. I'll break your back, baby.
Oh my god. Okay.
I love the small waist.
Sorry, but we're not like really thick or anything.
We're not thick. We're flat. But we have tiny waists, so that's what we give.
I love the tiny waist. What
you
about,
know, we give really good pants, so yeah.
You got a braces on. I'm kind of scared.
We got what?
She got braces on. I'm kind of scared.
Oh.
But I still take it though. Bye, though. You follow me?
Wait, hold up, bro.
I thought you were gonna follow her.
Alright, I'm gonna follow you. I'm gonna follow you.